Alright people, the headlamp here have 3 screws. A number 12 on top there, and two 10 on the top. See that? That's 112 and 210. When you see that now, go ahead and pull it out. That's how you do that, alright? Let me show you guys how to take off that fender. I will show you guys the points first, and then I will show you how to take it off. Alright my people, I'm going to show you guys how to take off this fender. Once you guys take off the bumper and the headlamp, these are the points to take off this fender. If you guys want to know how to take off the bumper and the headlamp, the link is in the description. Go ahead and check it out. Let's get to work. These are the points. Guys, I'm going to move that screw from there. That's a 12, okay? There's 2 screws down there. Y'all see those 2 screws? So those are 2 number 10. Move those 2 screws from there. Move this from here, and there's a screw that's up under here. It's a 10 as well. And move this one from there. That's a 10 as well. Move that from there. Over here, you're gonna move this piece out the way. Look at that, dry rot. Move this piece out the way. There is a 10 that's right behind it. Once you move that, you're gonna see the 10 that's right behind it. Now let's go to the side around here. There's the next screw right there, guys. Where is that? Right there. The screw right there. Take a screw from there. All right. So there's 2 screws. One up on the underneath that thing, and one is there. Now for the bottom section now. There's also a screw that is down here, but you gotta move this piece out the way, and you gotta move the flare from out the way. You're gonna take them 2 screws out the way from the flare. Take that screw from over there. You're gonna move that screw from there, and this, and you're gonna go ahead and pull off the flare, and you're gonna see the screw up on the flare. All right. Now I will show you how to do it. All right. Stay tuned. Yeah, man. Piece out of the way. See that screw out there? Now we gotta move that flare from there. guys, there's 2 screws down here. There's 2 of them. Right there, there's 2 of them. See that? Hey guys, you gotta move that clip from there as well. It's 2 of them. Alright guys, I say you do that, alright? I will catch you peoples on the next video.